Hello and welcome back to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's wellness edition, I am going to share with you just a few tips to help you survive holiday season as well as social events where food is being served. So these are just some tips to help you eat healthy when you go out. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. So please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So number one is to focus much of your meal on veggies, fruits, and salads. Now, please take into consideration the plate method. And this is the ideal way that you should pretty much eat your foods. Now, half of that plate is going to be your vegetables, 1/4 is going to be the carbs, and then 1/4 is your protein. So when you go out and you see an assortment of foods that look oh so delicious to eat, but you're trying to be healthy, just reach for the vegetables and the salad and just a little of the fruit. And remember, when you're eating the salad, pay attention to the salad dressing, because it does us no good if we have a plate full of healthy salad items and we load up on salad dressing, which of course can be high in fat. So you can have a good time, just eat the veggies. So number two is to eat before you head out to your event. So when you're going out to your Thanksgiving feast, or you're going out for the Christmas dinner, even when you're going out to dinner, please think about this. Eat something before you leave. Now, this ultimately will eliminate the need for you to overeat because you are hungry. So the next tip is to use a smaller plate. Now, psychologically thinking, we are really used to taking our plate and filling it up. And the plates are getting larger. So this ultimately will cause us to overeat. But if you get a smaller plate, you're not eating as much. The next thing is to not focus your mind on depriving yourself of certain foods, but knowing how to allow yourself to sample the food without overindulging. So say for instance you're out and they have this delightful dessert bar and you're just thinking diet, diet, diet. And that's why I don't like saying that word. Just grab a very small plate. You may just sample a few items. And when I say sample, I mean take a spoonful or a forkful and not eat the entire thing. So just allow yourself the opportunity to experience it without overindulging. So the next tip is to eat mindfully. Now, what does that mean? That means I want you to really pay attention to your eating as if it were something that required a lot of thought. A lot of us just eat. We see the food and we just eat it. But I want you to take your time. I want you to pay attention to the way the fork is placed on the table. I want you to eat slowly, chew your food. I want you to smell the fragrance of the food. I want you to also pay attention to the people around you. Make eating more about the environment, about the conversations you're having, about the new experiences you are having, and less about what's for dinner. So eat mindfully. So thanks again for tuning in to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. My name is Angela, and I hope some of these tips will inspire you to eat healthy, to not be intimidated by events where food is being served, but make it more about the experience. Again, if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.